Opportunity to cross for Fisher. She's got a few options. Gets up Pugh, the tallest of them. Now, options to go into the back post towards. It's a great curling ball towards Gerwyn Williams. He touches it down, tries to finish it, and what a goal that was! Gerwyn Williams finishes past Rhys Jones. German and Dion James now have to pick that ball up from the header by the Dolgellau defender. Now Paul Lewis has let it bounce over his right leg and he's still going. Paul Lewis has laid it in behind to Osian Morris. Osian Morris, he's trying to flick it back to us. Gerwyn Williams! Gerwyn Williams, and that's two! And there's the second.